What's up, guys? Guess what? We're back with the 67. We're gonna take it for a joyride, and then I gotta do some work to it, some electrical work, maybe some engine upgrades, maybe. But we're gonna take it down, go to my daughter's birthday with it, and then when we come back, then we're gonna goof around with it. Oh yeah, we're back. Another late night. As you can see, I got that 67 GTO here. If I sound like I'm winded, it's because I am. Me and the girl had to walk back to a gas station because we ran out of gas. So that's why I'm a little bit winded. Damn it. That's my buddy's car. And we're going to get a few things done on it. Such as, it's got a bit of a coolant leak there. We're getting rid of this contraption of a radiator hose. I got to do something about getting this wiring mess cleaned up. Only issue I have is I don't have these big old thick battery cables. There's a problem, huge problem. Then we gotta get this wire, because when he was sitting on the side of the road, right around here, it's all baked on there, like it sat on the intake and melted that wire a little bit. So we're gonna kind of clean this stuff up, and I'm gonna check over everything. I was supposed to replace his pulley, power steering pulley, but we have a slight problem. Not the right one. So that truly sucks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the rest of everything as this thing cools down, so I can get this radiator hose off and hopefully make this thing look better, sound better. So let's get that going. Let's get that sucker off there. So one of the things that we experienced when we were driving, we had to use the headlights. Now the internal gauge, I'll show you real quick. Alright, so when we were driving, it's got 12 volts. When the car was running and we turned on the headlights, they dropped down just like that. So I started freaking out. So we were driving slow and steady. And whenever I got a chance, before it was really, really dark, I would shut the headlights off so that we have some power. But check this out. 12.3, 12.6, whatever you got, right? We're going to turn the headlights on. Turn the headlights on. There we go, headlights are on. We're only at 12.14. Now, that's, mind you, this is not running. So, if it's at 12.14 with the lights on, what's the deal? But we better hurry up and turn those lights off because that battery's draining. But you get my point. Ouch. Oh, shoot. Yeah, so we got a plan, but I can't get this all straightened up until tomorrow. So there's that. Pulley can't be done. That sucks. This hose can technically be done right now, but it's not going to happen. So I have to buy some more coolant. And that wire, that's a dumb wire. I don't know what the hell. They got to go running back over there for ground on the intake when you can ground it right there to the intake. I don't get it. Makes no sense. We'll see you all tomorrow. Another late night. Working on this GTO. We got to get it done. My boy's going to a car show. We gotta have it done. So this is what I'm working on. After all the stuff that I was telling him that was wrong, he said, hey, we don't got time for that. So now we're just going to get it cleaned up just enough so he can do the car show and then bring it back so we can do everything 100% right. Build a bracket for the power steering pump and hopefully find another pulley because we can't locate a pulley just yet. So also got a longer negative wire so that we can get it hidden underneath everything and making it look a little bit better. So we're working on that. And also I got another radiator hose and I had to customize it, cut a chunk off of it and made it work. This is what I'm working on. I'm going to be making like a junction box real fast like so we can hide some of those leads that are coming off that battery so we can make it look better. Headlights are on. That's good. This is all cleaned up, looking better. Popping off the radiator. So exhaust leak. That's all good. All good. As you can tell, it's running. I don't know if you knew it was running, but it's running. Well, good morning. We're at the car wash. Let's get this thing washed up and get out of here. GTO and myself made it here at the O'Reilly's in Soulsbyville. Come on out. There's a car show going on here from 1 to 6. We have already parked over there, ready to be staged over here. Come on out. It's free. Come on out. Ooh. Ooh. Turnout's nice. Got some nice cars here today. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
You too. The Dodge. Oh. I'm just gonna take a peek at the Jeep real quick. Yeah. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Got another one. Got another one. What year did you say this one was?
58.
58? I'm liking it. 327.
The dual headlights only came out in 58 and 59.
Oh, that's right, huh? I didn't even pay attention to the headlights. Heck yeah. Love it. Oh, this is even better. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, even. Ooh. Another YouTuber I would watch, Derek. He'd be extremely happy with this. Heck yeah. Especially the bed. He definitely likes that bed. Woo. This one's nice. Whee. Another GTO. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful one right there. Beautiful. Yeah. Ooh, look at this gasser. Oh. Oh, dang. Oh, shit. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, he's got the 8-track. Oh, definitely Derek from Vice Grip Garage. Would appreciate that. Ooh, nice. Ooh, of course. Ooh. Oh. Yo, bitch, yo. Ooh, there's a duty. There's a duty. Ooh, ooh. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. So look how they do this. Look how it comes on the foil. Look at that. Oh, he's. Oh, electric fan, electric water pump. Ooh. Oh, we got more stuff. Ooh. 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 This side. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that is beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh, AC. AC. Oh, oh. The turnout here is just insane. So awesome. See these cars? Holy shit.
You gotta look at those things, the prone problems on those old A bodies.
That's nice. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, they're a bitch to do.
Oh. Oh. The turnout's pretty good.
Not too bad.
Oh my goodness, look at the cars, man. This is an awesome turnout. I don't know what else I can say. Something that we put together quick. Awesome. I think he's gonna let it rip. I kind of like how mild it sounded.
Everything together, what is it? That means great. Bam! He's got the bow tie on the Studebaker.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Jeep. If I remember correctly, that's LSA in that one.
He had his in my car at his shop. Yeah. Yeah, we look good here. Sorry, my brights won't shut off. Sorry, my brights won't shut off. Really, truly sorry about the guy in front of me. I'm probably pissing him off. Sorry. 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 Well, we left the show at O'Reilly's, which was really awesome. Turnout was great. Thank you to everybody who showed up. I had to stick around because for some reason we had no headlights. But we have headlights now. I had to jump the wire to battery to the headlights, but we only got brights. So that's a problem. So I do truly apologize to everybody that's oncoming. I'm sorry. I am. I'm truly sorry. But I'll see you guys as soon as I get to the house and give you any update. Alright, well, it's the morning or after GTO made it here. That wasn't fun trying to set up some lights for it. But today I have a few other jobs I have to go do, and the GTO, we got some further stuff to do with it. It's back to the drawing board, kinda ish. Anyways, a huge thank you to everyone that came out. Thank you very much. It was nice to meet everybody and have fun and hang out. It was awesome. We gotta do it again. Maybe 3 times a year. How does that sound? Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for more content. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, I believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.